Alright, so today I'm going to be telling you about the log property, right? Like this is the log property. This is the change of base property, right? So basically, if I have a log base b of c, right? And I don't like my base, like I don't like the letter b. I want another base, log base a, right? I can do that. I can just rewrite log base c as log base a of my argument, so of c, divided by log base a of my old base, so b, right? Or you can think of it like this way. You can write log base a of the big number divided by log base a of the little number. Because usually people write people write the argument as like a little bigger. Like in this case, the argument's like a little bigger font than our base, right? So you want to think about it that way. Log of a new base, right? Log base a of the big number divided by log base a of the little number, if you want to think about it like that. I don't know, your choice. But the well, the reason why this is the ultimate log property is because of one simple reason. I have a calculator here, and it has 3 log buttons. Alright, this is I get ready for a lecture. It has 3 log buttons. It has log, and that means log base 10, right? It has natural log, and that means log base e, right? E is just a number, it's a special number, it's a very special number, right? So I have log base 10, natural log base e. Now in this calculator, I have the choice to have a log base anything. In most other calculators, you aren't as lucky, right? You aren't as lucky to have this option, but you only get log base 10 or log base e. So this is why you need the change of base property, because sometimes you want to evaluate things like log base 14 of 420, and you want to type it into your calculator, and your calculator doesn't have that special key where it allows you to put any base in. So you need to convert it into something more reasonable, like natural log. Like you have to re-express it using natural logs or common logs, log base 10, right? So I could rewrite my problem like this. Log base 10, I'm going to use log base 10 in this case. So log base 10 over big number 420 over log base 10 over little number 14. And people are going to hate me for using non-standard names for argument and base, but honestly, I think this will help you remember it better, the change of base, so I don't really care. Alright, so we're rewriting it using common logs, log base 10s, that we can then plug into our calculator. We can rewrite log base 14 of 420 as log base 10 of 420 divided by log base 10 of 14. Now suppose our calculator is extra bad and only has a natural log. Button, because I don't know, the person who designed the calculator hates chemists, right? So we can rewrite it as log base e, remember doing the same change of base, log base e of 420 divided by log base e of 14, right? But now the fact of the matter is no one actually writes log base e, they write natural log. So for conventions and whatever and whatnot, we'll write natural log of 420 over natural log, oh my goodness, this is terrible. Alright, let me cook real quick. Natural log of 14, right? This is the same as this. Natural log ln is the same as log base e. So yeah, it's basically a change of base rule, like in a nutshell. So change of base rule, really cool. The MVP log property, because most calculators don't have a log base anything button unless you buy a Casio FX300ES. So if you really don't want to remember this log property, then just buy this calculator. Otherwise, you're kind of screwed. But yeah, that was it. That was a change of base property. Very useful property, and stay tuned for more other cool stuff. So see you then.